Welcome back to another video, guys. In today's video, we will be talking about importance of taking risks. In trading, whether it's Forex, stocks, cryptocurrencies, or anything, taking calculated risk is a vital part of the process. Without risk, there can be no reward. Trading inherently involves uncertainty, and understanding the importance of taking risk and doing so wisely is key to becoming a successful trader. The idea is not to take random or reckless risks, but to take strategic, well thought out risks. This can be the difference between a profitable trader and the one who falls. Risk is inseparable from reward in trading, and the goal is to manage the risk while maximizing the potential upside. Key reasons why taking risk is important. First, potential for higher returns. Risk is the fuel for higher returns. In trading, the larger the risk, the larger the potential reward. If you're not willing to take risks, you'll miss out on profitable opportunities. For example, when you're trading gold, if you see a potential for a gold price to rise due to certain economic events, take a calculated risk and enter a trade, and that can bring you a substantial profit when gold price soars. Growth as a trader. Risk taking helps you learn and grow. Every risk you take gives you valuable lesson if even if things don't go as planned. It helps you refine your strategy and build your skills as you learn that what works and what doesn't. As you take calculated risk and see results, you improve your ability to assess situations and make smarter decisions. Overcoming fear. Fear of losing money is one of the biggest obstacles traders face. However, in trading, overcoming this fear and embracing calculated risk is essential. If you always play it safe, you may never hit big wins. Taking risks is a controlled way, in a controlled way allows you to build confidence in your trading abilities. Risk management tools like a stop loss order and take profit levels help you take risks with protection, making it easier to embrace the process. Diversification. Diversification involves spreading your risk across multiple trades or assets to manage potential losses. By taking risk in different trades such as XAUUSD, Euro USD, GBP USD, or even cryptocurrencies, you lower the risk of losing all capital in one bad decision. For instance, if you make multiple trades open in different assets, the chances of all trades going wrong are lower. And if one fails, the other may still provide profitable outcomes. Number five, increased rewards through leverage. Leverage allows you to control a larger position that you would with just your capital. This increases your potential for larger returns, but also increases your exposure to risk. If you understand how to manage leverage, it can be a powerful tool to maximize profit. But again, it must be used responsibly. Without taking risks, leveraging positions become ineffective. Number six, averting missed opportunities. Some of the best opportunities in trading comes from market volatility, and volatility often involves higher risks. By staying on the sidelines and avoiding risk, you might miss a great chance to enter a profitable trade. For instance, if XAUUSD drops sharply and you have a strong conviction that it's a short-term opportunity, taking a risk at the right time could mean catching a rebound. Number seven, the role of risk management. Taking risks doesn't mean acting recklessly. The key is risk management. Even though you're taking risk, you can manage and control them through various tools such as stop loss orders. Automatically exit a trade when the price hits a specific level to limit losses. Position sizing, adjusting the amount of capital you put at risk on each trade based on your overall portfolio. Risk to reward ratio, ensuring that potential reward of trade justifies the potential risk. How to take risks wisely. Evaluate risk. Assess the risk to reward ratio before entering a trade. For example, if you're in XAUUSD, if you're risking 50 pips but expected 100 pip profit, your risk to reward is 3 to 1, which is considered a good risk setup. Diversify your portfolio. Don't place all your capital in one trade or asset. Spread your investment across different opportunities. Number three, use proper leverage. Leverage can amplify your profit potentials, but if you also amplify your risk. Use leverage carefully and within your comfort zone. Set stop loss and take profit. Protect yourself by setting stop loss order and limit your losses and take profit orders to lock in gains once target is reached. Accept losses as part of process. Understand that not every trade will be profitable, and that's okay. The goal is to be profitable over time by managing risk and learning from both wins and losses. That was all about this topic, guys. I hope it all made sense. Make sure you watch all the other videos as well and educate yourself before jumping into this industry. See you guys in the next video.